In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book flight in Agoda without passport. I'll walk you through the process in a simple and easy-to-follow way so you can book a domestic flight smoothly without getting confused about travel requirements. This method is especially useful for local trips within your own country, where a passport is often not required for booking or traveling. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and visit the official Agoda website. Agoda is a popular travel booking platform that allows users to reserve flights, hotels, and other travel services conveniently in one place. Once the website loads, go directly to the flight booking section where you can begin entering your travel details. The first thing you need to do is enter your departure city and your destination city. When booking a flight without a passport, it's important to make sure you are choosing domestic or local destinations. Domestic flights usually have simpler travel requirements compared to international travel, which is why a passport may not be necessary during the booking process. After selecting your travel locations, continue by choosing your travel dates. Pick the dates that work best for your schedule and travel plans. Keep in mind that flight prices and availability can vary depending on the day and season, so having flexible dates may help you find better deals or more convenient flight schedules. Once all your travel details are entered correctly, click the Search Flights button. Agoda will then begin searching for available flights that match your selected route and travel dates. Within a few moments, you'll see a list of available flights from different airlines along with departure times, durations, and ticket prices. Now it's time to review the available options carefully. Take a close look at the flight schedule, total travel time, possible layovers, and overall ticket cost before making your selection. Choosing the right flight depends on your preferences, budget, and travel convenience, so it's worth taking a few extra moments to compare the available choices. After selecting the flight that best suits your needs, proceed to choose your ticket option. Agoda may display additional information such as baggage allowances, cancellation policies, and other important booking conditions. Read through these details carefully before continuing to the next stage. When you reach the booking section, you'll be asked to provide your personal information. For domestic travel in this situation, you typically only need to enter basic details such as your name and contact information. Since the booking is for local travel, a passport may not be necessary during this process. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to book a flight on Agoda without using a passport for domestic travel. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.